All right, 22 is the fun one. Use the average daily balance method to compute the finance charge on the credit card for the previous month. You're using the average daily balance to find the average daily balance, and then that is what your principal will be in the finance charge equals PRT. Okay. All right, we are in the month of April. There's 30 days, and our previous month's balance, we are actually starting with $950, okay? So, nothing happens until April 3rd. So, for the first 2 days of the month, for April 1st and 2nd, our balance was the $950. So for each of those 2 days, it's $950. And I'm going to multiply that by 2. And that's going to give me $1,900. So 950 plus 950 is 1,900, or 950 times 2. But that's the first 2 days. Okay, so let me do a little math over here. I got 950 on April 3rd. Oh my gosh. I told it to switch to the red. Come on. On April 3rd through, okay, on April 12th, something different happened. So from the 3rd through the 11th, our balance is, we made a charge of $103. So that means our balance will go up by $103. It'll now be $1,053. Okay, so $1,053 on the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, and the 11th. That was 9 days. So there were 9 days that it had a balance of 1053. So when I multiply that, I get 9,477. Okay, now, different color. Let's go with green. On April 12th, okay, so from the 12th until the 20th, because on April 21st, we charge again. So from the 12th to the 20th. On the 12th, we made a payment. They received a payment from us. That is going to decrease our balance. So we're going to go down by 320. And that's going to be $733. All right. But how many days is that? The 12th, the 13th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, the 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, that is also 9 days. So 733 times 9 is 6,597. All right, need another color. How about a purple color? All right, on April 21st, until the 28th, because on April 29th, it makes another change. All right. So from the 21st to the 28th, your balance, or on the 21st, you made a charge. That takes your balance up again by $95. So 8, 12, carry the 1. Now my balance is at $828 for the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. That is 8 days. Yeah, 1st through the 8th. 8 days. Okay, and so 8 times 828 is 6,624. And then on the last day of the month, how about dark blue? On April 29th, sorry, that's not the last day. The last day is the 30th. On the 29th, you return $67 for lawn services. If you return something, your balance will go down by 67. So that should be 761. And April only has, up here, April has 30 days. So it's the 29th through the 30th. That's just the last 2 days of the month. So you'll have a balance of $761 for 2 days, which gives me $15.22. And now I'm going to take all of these. This represents all 30 days of the month. All 30 days are covered. I just use multiplication to do it instead of having to add 30 numbers together. All right, so this total is 26,120. So what I'm going to do now is find the average daily balance. All right, the average daily balance will be the 26,120 divided by the 30 days in the month of April, and that to the nearest penny comes out to be $870.67. That is your average. Remember, on an average, you just add up all the numbers and you divide by the number of numbers. Well, there's 30 days in the month of April. And so I figured out the balance of every single day. I just used, there were 2 days when it was $9.50. There were 9 days when it was $10.53. There were 9 days when it was 7. I used multiplication and then added those totals to get my average daily balance. However, we are supposed to compute the finance charge. That is going to be our last step. And I just had to figure out what my P was. All this work that I've done so far, I did all of that for the letter P. Remember, finance charge is your principal times your rate times your time. And our principal is this number right here. So it's 870.67 times the interest rate is right here. It's 21%, so that would be a 0.21. And then here's the other thing you have to remember for this method. You're doing an average daily balance. There are 365 days in the year, and this is April, which has 30. So grab your calculator, do the math, round it to the nearest penny. You should get a finance charge of $15.03. All right, that's number 22.